Hi students, welcome to the next session. Now indefinite integrals, this is the last session. Next session we will start definite integrals. Now in previous session we finished up to 72 questions. Coming to question number 73. Integral x plus x power 2 by 3 plus x power 1 by 6 divided by x into 1 plus x power 1 by 3 dx. This one directly we can't integrate, taking common nothing is possible, but highest root, what is there? Root is 1 by 6. That's why to simplify that I will consider x is equal to t power 6. Root will be cancelled. Now if we differentiate this, from this t is equal to what will get x power 1 by 6. At last we will use this one. Dx equal to 6 into t power 5 into dt. Substitute in the place of t. X is t power 6. T power 6 whole power 2 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. T power 6 whole power 1 by, that is t by t power 6 into 1 plus t power 6 whole power 1 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, t square. The numerator is t power 6, t power 4 plus t by t power 6 into 1 plus t square. Dx means what? That also write down 6 t power 5 dt. 6 constant common. T power 5 into dt. 6 into, I will take t common, one more t. T power 5 plus t cube plus 1. T power 6 dt by t power 6 into 1 plus t square. T power 6 cancel. Here the notation wise general. The value wise what they given notation check once. In these two terms I will take t cube is common. T square plus 1 plus 1 by t square plus 1 or 1 plus t square, no problem. Now divide with the denominator. 6 into, if you divide with t square plus 1 cancel, we get only t cube dt. Next divide for this term, integral 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. Overall multiply with 6. Integral of t cube, t power 4 by 4 plus direct formula integral 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse x. Tan inverse t plus c. Now t value substitute now. 6 multiply inside, they multiplied 6. Yes, they multiplied 6 by 4. T means x power 1 by 6. Whole power 4 means 4 by 6. 6 into tan inverse of x power 1 by 6. Plus c. Here 2 3s are, 2 2s are. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. 3 by 2 into x power 2 by 3. 6 into tan inverse of x power 1 by 6 plus c. This value there in which option? See in second option, option B is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 74. Integral sin 2x into 1 minus 3 by 2 cos x into dx by e power sin square x plus cos cube x. Now I will take this is t. By differentiating you will get this expression. Put sin square x plus cos cube x is t. Differentiate this. Sin square derivative 2 sin x into cos x. Cos cube derivative 3 cos square x into again cos derivative minus sin x into dx equal to dt. First term clearly 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x plus into minus minus 3 sin x into cos square x into dx equal to dt. But sin 2x is common is there, that's why here 2 is not there. I'll divide and multiply with 2. 2 sin x into, I'll write cos square is like this. Into dx equal to dt. Finally, sin 2x minus 3 by 2 sin 2x into cos x dx equal to dt. I will take sin 2x is common, remaining 1 minus 3 by 2 cos x into dx equal to dt. Now substitute, which is clearly numerator, that is 1 dt by e power t, e power minus t dt. Integral minus e power minus t, what integration? Minus e power minus t plus c. They taken into denominator? No, they kept in numerator only. Minus e power minus of t means sin square x plus cos cube x plus c, that is option B is the correct one. Next question number 75. Integral 2x plus 1 by x square plus 4x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 dx. Here it is not in any standard form. Here meaning what? Whole cube, square root. I will take, to make square root cancellation, I will take x square common from this. What will get? Whole power 3 by 2. X square common means 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square. Square root to cancel. What remaining left here? X cube. This x cube divide for numerator. 2x by x cube plus 1 by x cube by 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2 is there into dx. What numerator will get? 2 x square means I will write x power minus 2. 1 by x cube means x power minus 3. 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square whole power 3 by 2. Now I will take this is t. 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square equal to t. If you take t this one, what you will get value? Because the options given in terms of finally x only, no issue. But to eliminate square root, can I take t square? If I take t square, this 2 will be cancelled. Simplification easy, that's why. 1 derivative 0. 4 into 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. 1 by x square derivative here dot means x power minus 2 derivative. Minus 2 into x power minus 3. N into x power n minus 1. That only we are writing minus 2 by x cube. Dx equal to t square derivative 2t dt. Take minus 2 common from this. What remaining? 2 by x square, that means x power minus 2. Minus 2 common, remaining only 1. X power minus 3 into dx equal to 2t dt. 2 to cancel. Now remaining what? Send this minus right side. 2 power x minus 2, x power minus 3 into dx equal to minus t dt. Substitute in this. Minus is common. T dt by, this is what? T square. T square whole power 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, t cube. T cancel, remaining square. 1 by t square dt. Integral of 1 by x square we are using many times. What is the formula? Minus 1 by t. Doubt is there? Take into numerator. Integral of t power minus 2. X power n formula. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. minus of minus plus 1 by t plus c. 1 by t, what you will get? Root of this, square root of 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square plus c. But they simplified still. What is the LCM here? X square. 1 by under root of x square. Here x times will multiply plus 1 by x square. Root of x square is x. It will comes to where? Numerator. From this, answer is x by under root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Root means power 1 by 2 ma. Is there which option? Second option. Option B. Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 76. Integral dx by 1 plus root x whole power 2010 is given 2 into 1 by alpha into 1 plus root x whole power 2000, so whole power alpha only, minus 1 by beta into 1 plus root x whole power beta plus c, where alpha comma beta is positive only, we need to find alpha minus beta. If you differentiate this, what? 1 derivative 0, root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. That's why here I will multiply and divide with 2 root x to 1 plus root x whole power 2010 dx. Later I will compare that. Here I will consider 1 plus root x is t. From this I will find out root x also. Root x is t minus 1. Differentiate this. 1 derivative 0, root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt. 2. dx by 2 root x is dt. 2 is the common. Root x value is t minus 1. This complete value dt. This is t. T power 2010. Now divide with the denominator. T by t power 2010, what will get? 1 by t power 2009 minus 1 by t power 2010 dt. Take into numerator 2 into integral of t power minus 2009 t power minus 2010 into dt. 2 into x power n formula. What? X power n plus 1 minus 2009 plus 1 means minus 2008 by minus 2008 minus t power minus 2009 by minus 2009 plus c. 2 into, take into denominator, this total minus only na, minus 1 by 2008 t power 2008. Denominator means power becomes positive. Minus of minus plus 1 by 2009 t power 2009 plus c. Now t means substitute now. What does the t means? 1 plus root x. First positive. 1 by 2009 1 plus root x whole power 2009 minus 1 by 2008 1 plus root x whole power 2008. Now compare with RHS. In the place of alpha 2009 is there. In the place of beta 2008 is there. They are asking alpha minus beta. Difference is 1. Now alpha minus beta 1. First option only correct. Next, question number 77. Integral secant x dx by under root of sin of 2x plus a plus sin a is equal to, but options given in terms of tan a, cos a minus sin a, terms of a terms more are there. Secant x dx by, this is like sin c plus sin d. What formula? 2 sin 2x plus a is what? 2a by 2 into cos a minus 2x plus a minus a cancel, only 2x by 2, 2 cancel. Secant x into dx by under root of 2 into what will get? Sin of x plus a into cos x. To convert into tan, inside root I will divide and multiply with cos. 2 sin of x plus a, cos x I am writing cos square x by cos x. Again cancel, you will get same only. Because 2 also involved, is see once root 2 common, take the root 2 is common. Next step, secant x into dx by root 2 is common, root of, inside root there is only a sin of x plus a by cos a, root of cos square is only cos, 1 by cos becomes secant, so 1 by root 2 is common, secant x into secant x dx by root of sin of x plus a, sin of a plus b formula, sin x cos a, cos x sin a, because the change in tan and values, by cos x. 1 by root 2, this is secant square x dx by under root of sin by cos tan a, tan a into cos a, cos x cancel, only sin a. Here tan x will get tan x into cos a plus sin a. If you differentiate this, tan derivative secant square, cos a is constant, okay, constant into cos a into secant square, sin a derivative is 0. That's why I'll put tan a cos a plus sin a is t. Differentiate this, what will you get? Secant square x into cos a into dx equal to dt, because sin a derivative 0. Send that cos a right side, 1 by cos a dt, this will becomes secant a into dt, 1 by root 2 into, this completely secant a is a constant, take common, remaining 1 by root t into dt, secant a by root 2, integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x, 2 root t plus c, 2 by root 2, what will you get? Root 2 secant a, root of, what does the t means? Tan x cos a plus sin a plus c, root 2 secant a, this option is there in C, third option. Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 78. F of x is given integral 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 by x square plus 1 plus 2x power 7 whole square dx. F of 0 is 0 given. We need to find f of 1 value. Here power 8 is there, here highest power is what? 7. That value take common in denominator. X power 7 is common means while coming out of that, what will get? X power 14. X power 7 I am taking common ma. If you have doubt, write down like this only. What? X power 7 whole square. X power 7 common means what you will get here? 1 by x power 5. Here 1 by x power 7 plus 2 whole square dx. 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 by this is clearly x power 14. This is x power minus 5, x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square dx. Now divide with x power 14 ma. 5 into x power 8 by x power 14 is 1 by x power 6, that is x power minus 6. This is x power minus 8, x power 6 by x power 14 divided by x power minus 5, x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square. Now I will take this is t, derivative will get here. So put x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 equal to t. If you differentiate, derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Minus 5 x power minus 5 minus 1 is, that is minus 6. Minus 7 into x power minus 8. 2 derivative 0 into dx equal to dt. Take minus common, take right side. 5 into x power minus 6 plus 7 into x power minus 8 into dx equal to minus dt. From this, minus is common, integral of 1 by t square dt only. Integral of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x plus c, that is 1 by t plus c. T means what? Substitute here only. By again steps increasing. Minus of minus 1 by t. T means x power minus 5, x power minus 7 plus 2 plus c. Now the value wise, general condition, they are asking what f of 0 is given. We need to find f of 1. Okay. This is f of x ma. F of 0 is 0. 0 equal to x plus 0 substitute 1 by 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus c. 0 equal to 1 by 2 plus c. C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next they are asking f of 1. F of 1 means what will get? Check once. 1 by 1 plus 1, but here one small correction, x power 7 comes to numerator, value becomes 0. Small correction, we need to simplify this function still, later we can substitute, not like negative powers. So 1 by, this we can write x power 5, 1 by x power 5, 1 by x power 7 plus 2 plus c to the original form. What is the LCM? X power 7, that will comes to numerator. Here x square times will multiply plus 1 plus 2x power 7, original function will come plus c. This is now f of x. Now f of 0 is 0. 0 means what? 0 equal to x is 0 by anything, 0 plus c. That's why c value will get 0. Simplify ma. We need to get in this original form. Now we need to find f of 1. In the place of x substitute 1, 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1 power 7 is 1 plus c value 0. And what is the answer? 1 by 4 is the answer, that is option B. Next, question number 79. Integral log of 1 plus sin square x by cos square x into dx equal to the given f of x plus c. We need to find f of 0 value. So log of 1 plus sin square x, 1 by cos square we can take secant square x. UV formula, log and trigonometry. This is u, this is v dash. U equal to log of 1 plus sin square x, v dash equal to secant square x, u dash log derivative 1 by 1 plus sin square x, in inner function derivative 1 derivative 0, sin square derivative is 2 sin x into cos x. Later I can simplify. V means we have to integrate v dash. Integral of secant square is what? Tan x. tan x we can write sin x by cos x. What I am taking, what is integral uv dash formula? Uv minus integral u dash v, that is u log of 1 plus sin square x, v sin x by cos x, or you can use tan x only, minus u dash is 2 sin x into cos x by 1 plus sin square x. Now substitute in terms of sin and cos. V means sin x by cos x dx. Cos cancel. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x. 2 common, sin into sin square x by 1 plus sin square x dx. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x. 2, to simplify this, I will add 1 and subtract 1. If you add and 1 subtract 1, what will you get? Notation C1s. Sin square x by 1 plus sin square cancel, 1 by 1 plus sin square. So next here, what denominator? 1 plus sin square x into dx. It's a little bit lengthy this one. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x minus 2 into first value 1, that is 1 dx, 1 by 1 plus sin square x dx. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x minus 2 into integral of 1 dx is x, minus of minus plus integral. Now already I given one form, integral 1 by 1 a plus b sin square x or a plus b cos square x. We need to divide the numerator and denominator with cos square. I am dividing numerator with cos square, denominator also with cos square. This is same ditto same function. Or I can write means you want write, enough, no problem. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x minus 2x plus 2 into numerator is secant square x. So 1 by cos square secant square x, sin by cos square tan square x dx. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x minus 2x plus 2 into secant square x by secant square you can write in terms of tan is 1 plus tan square. That's why 1 plus it will becomes 2 tan square x into dx. Clear? Now I will substitute here tan x equal to t. Differentiate, what will get? Secant square x dx equal to dt. First terms are same, no changes. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x minus 2x plus 2 into integral of 1 dt by 1 plus 2t square. The 2t square I am writing like this, root 2t whole square. Tan x into log of 1 plus sin square x minus 2x plus 2 into, it is in which form? Integral 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x, that is root 2t. By inner function derivative is root 2 plus c. Finally over. Now substitute the t value, log of 1 plus sin square x minus 2x plus 2 into 2 by root 2 into tan inverse of root 2 tan x plus c. This is which one? This completely Which one? F of x. Here we need to find f of 0. This much you have to do to find f of x. Wherever x is the substitute 0, tan 0, 0. That means first value 0. 2 into 0, 0. 2 by root 2 into tan inverse of root 2 into tan 0, 0. Tan inverse of 0 means 0 only. C not required, don't take C, this is only f of x. So what is the answer? Finally f of 0 is 0 is the answer. That is option A is the correct one. Next question number 80. Integral sin square x into secant square x plus 2 tan x into sin inverse x into root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 minus x square into 1 plus tan square x into dx. This value we need to find out. See once. Sin square x into secant square x plus 2 tan x into sin inverse x into root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square into 1 plus tan square is secant square x dx. Now divide the denominator for both terms. Divide here, what will get? Sin square x into secant square cancel. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Here 2 tan x I can write sin x by cos x, or sin x by cos means what? Secant x. Directly I am writing, I am not writing again. Into sin inverse x into root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square into secant square x dx. Sorry, numerator take. These two cancel. One secant value is cancel. Sin square x into 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx plus 1 by secant means cos. That is 2 sin x cos x into sin inverse x dx. That is the remaining value. Remaining 1 by secant means cos. Now, second time I am not changing. I will trigonometric function, this I will take u first. V dash I will take 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Because we need answer in terms of sin inverse. If you integrate this, you will get integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x formula. U dash, what? 2 sin x into cos x. V, integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx formula is sin inverse x. What is the uv formula? You know already. U into v minus u dash 2 sin x cos x into v sin inverse x dx plus already what is there? Plus 2 sin x into cos x into sin inverse x dx. Now both terms gets cancelled. Now what is the answer you will get finally? Sin square x into sin inverse x plus C is the answer. That is option B is the correct one. Next, question number 81. Question number 81, they given integral f of x into dx equal to g of x. Here x can replace with t also, dummy variable. Already have property integral a to b, general condition. If replace t also, nature is not changing. Same, completely changing. Both are same only ma. F inverse x is differentiable, then integral of f inverse x into dx. This value we need to find out. Same integral. This I can take integral f inverse of x into 1 dx. u I will take f inverse of x, v dash is 1, u dash is derivative of this function. Don't find out because they are not given f or minus 2 like that options. They are given in terms of g function. V means integral of 1 dx, that is x. Whole dash means derivative only, meaning u is what? F inverse of x into v is x minus integral u dash, that is f inverse of x whole dash into v is x dx. To change the in terms of g, I will take this, let consider f inverse of x is t. T derivative, what will get here? This derivative is what? 1 into again dx dt will express. That's why this is x into f inverse of x minus first x value. Here x means what? Find out from this. X is called f of t. X means f of t. This is t derivative 1 into dx is dt. Dx changes to dt value. Clear? T derivative is 1 into dt will get. Now integral f of t into dt what? G of t. So f of x into f inverse of x minus g of t plus c. X into f inverse of x, g of, what is a t means? T is what? F inverse of x. We are not changing, just notation you can understand. This is t, x value f of t, t whole dash means t derivative 1 into dx means dt will get notation. That's why x into f inverse x minus g of f inverse x plus c, that is third option is correct. That is option C. Question number 82. They given what? Integral small f of x dx is capital F of x, that is antiderivative. Then we need to find integral x power 2n minus 1 into f of x power n dx. Okay, this value we need to find out. Here x power 2n minus 1, I can write x power n into x power n minus 1 into f of x power n dx. Here also we can replace in the place of x t. Now I will substitute x power n is t. Complete functional changes to in terms of t. Differentiate this n into x power n minus 1 into dx equal to dt. X power n minus 1 dx equal to 1 by n dt. 1 by n take common. This is t f of t dt. Algebraic. If you take this is u, this is v dash. Because integral of f of t, we need capital F of x form. Options given like that. So here u is equal to t, v dash equal to f of t. U dash derivative of t 1, v integral of small f of t dt, that is capital F of t, already there. 1 by n into formula u into v, t into capital F of t minus u dash is 1, capital F of t into dt. Now they further not simplified they left here only condition wise. Now substitute again the t value original. T means x power n, f of x power n minus 1 into f of t is f of t only, f of x power n d of x power n dt. Okay na? In the place of t I am substituting x power n plus c. They not simplified, they left there only. That is C in second option. Option B is the correct one. Next, last question 83. Integral secant square x minus 7 by sine power 7x. into dx. Here also uv formula only. Now divide with the denominator 1 by sine power 7 is, that is sine power minus 7x into secant square x dx. Remaining integral 7 by sine power 7x dx. This one I am not changing anything. I will apply for this uv formula. Here u is, both are trigonometry only, but I will take this is we don't have formula for integral of this, but integral of secant square have formula in terms of time. That's why I am taking this is u, this is v dash. V dash is secant square x. U dash, derivative is minus 7. Sine power minus 7 minus 1 is minus 8x. Again sine derivative is cos x. This we can write minus 7 cos x by sine power 8x. V is integral of secant square x dx. That is tan x. Apply uv formula for first term. U, what is u? Sine power minus 7x into v tan x minus u dash minus 7 cos x by sine power 8x into tan x dx. Already minus 7 by sine power 7x dx is there. Tan x by sine power 7x minus or minus plus 7 cos x. Tan x means sin x by cos x dx minus 7 by cos cancel. One sin cancel means 7 terms will be there. Finally tan x by sine power 7x plus 7 by sine power 7x dx minus 7 by sine power 7x dx. Now both terms gets cancelled. Finally answer is tan x by sine power 7x plus c is the answer. That is option A is the correct. Now we completed all exercise questions. You try to complete previous year questions. Everyone, in that questions any doubt is there, send to my number. Question I will send the answer. Thank you. From next session we will start definite integrals. In material, definite integrals and areas. Areas means application of integrals. Both completely given in one chapter only. Now first we will discuss definite integrals. After completing application of integrals, that means areas concept, then you will discuss comparative also in that same topic. Thank you.